Nungayribo RC fam ay ngasi vlog side horage ay hojik se Emanabi gi cake leba chattoine Emanabi ay mamang gi vlog to aduda yengagadi da Emanabi am yawdo magi ngasi se birthday ne bako doina sum cake am leibiraga sum kakpi gena kasu special oiba kasu kano celebrate ka tawduna chauna dumba kasu natte just tumnagi da hojik se ay lo challe ay hojik cake leiba chatlage Hi. Birthday girl.
I cut it. Hello, hi. Oh, this looks weird.
Birthday girl. Wish to Emanabi da. Wish to birthday girl. Happy birthday, Namazi.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Oh, look at my hairstyle. I want to cut again. Looks shorter. Hi, it's my birthday. Thank you.
Juice and bidori manabina. Am nungay mag si juicer lived. Kasi juicer se. Three umaga. Learn. Sing hazel eh. Mint happy. Asi fam, hasi ay Emanabi na. Kaya tawag to juice sabi na tawag hasi ki mo juice maker do kumbra mathanda bottle gi type to tawag to kumbra. Adu do ready de luaraga kaya tawam dai jida mo ya dan lagi wanda. To Emanabi kat na nam de hotnari ba.
After doing all this work, I'm doing something also.
Yeah, gitu tu. Nambah ya deh. Hapsal laga.
When it works, then you delete that part.
Yeah. Okay, hojik dinner sa basta tuin niya bako ay Emanabi birthday yung haktan. Sina Emanabi ama Martha kawe.
Hi.
Mazu sakcha ba satkada ba didugi. Lipstick ka sangjan gi. Yeah.
I don't have a phone.
Loy salle hojik ay Emanabi loy sallikan na ngairi. Martha ga ibani na ngai minari birthday girl do.
To you,
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Rachel. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you so
Manabi
much.
amat na lay pure magi.
Dear Rachel.
Thank you.
Happy birthday
I
to
appreciate it.
you. Oh,
Oh, they smell so nice.
may the good Lord bless you. May the
I
good
receive.
Lord.
I receive. Take picture.
When you come to the place, think twice.
No. Astifam ay hazikta yumda yore ay kano blog loisanbagi namhodre sida ay blog loisalage ato ay ngasigi blog sa nungaragadi like tawbiyu kawbiganu duga ay main channel so leivene adu so check yingbiyo RC Mukbang ay description da hapne link to mathang video dong thengnarasi kainarasi aduga ay video gi feedback sa piro kamain tawge na